Hello, can you hear me? Good morning. So I assume that you're able to hear me. So what we are seeing is the TradingTree charts. So we have the USD INR a gap down open. So obviously the markets will open in green. So this is euro, and that is flat, and the pound is slightly gap up, and the yen is gap down. So we are just seeing it here. It closed here at 58.71 yesterday. It's 58.20 right now. So that means it will be a gap up open. So let's just check where it has opened. Okay. Not much. I think it's still a gap down open.
There is a sell call in JPY INR1. There is a sell call in USD INR1.
So we have a sell call in USD. We have a sell in Japanese yen. So we'll just wait till another 5 minutes, and then we can start working on this FuturesTree file. So what you are seeing here is 30 scripts. Let me just put it on full screen mode. So you have the entry levels and you have the targets. So you need not worry if the market opens a gap up or gap down or a flat market. You'll always get the prices for the buy side and the sell side. And the prices what you are seeing here are the prices for the cash market or the spot market. So with the spot market prices, you can trade in futures, you can trade even in options also. So in another few minutes, we'll be just seeing how we can do that. And the horizontal lines over this particular workbook, what you are seeing means that this particular scripts are not ready for trade still. So only after 9:15 we'll be getting the data. So I've already taken the historical data. Historical data is nothing but the previous day's data. And we'll just have to click on the current day data button, what you're seeing here at 9:15 and at 9:20. So that we'll get the prices for all the scripts. And the auto refresh on is a button where you'll just put it on to get the data uninterrupted. So it's very simple to use. I'll just show you that in live. So the percentages what you're seeing here are the percentage of profit that you'll make in case and scripts reaches a certain target level, and this percentage is actually linked to the span margin of NSE. And usually, in case if you have a good broker who is giving you good exposure, I think the profit percentages will actually be double what have been shown here. So you just have a login button, you have the enter date, save button, historical, current day data. These are few buttons what we have. Login is nothing but you'll have your unique login ID. So you'll have to log in with that ID. Enter date is nothing but you'll have to enter the previous trading day date. And save button is nothing but you'll save the prices in case if you want to retrieve it back. And you have the current day data and auto refresh. Historical data, I have already told you that we'll be taking the historical data for few days, last few days, and then we'll be calculating the figures. So other than this FuturesTree, I do use the TradingTree charts also. It gives me a very good idea of what my targets will be for a particular script. So we'll be working on both this softwares at a single time to maximize our gains. So it's 9:15 now. So what I'll do is so I'll just click on the current day data button. So you can just see that the data is being loaded here, the left corner side. You find that the small icon rotating. That actually means that the data is being loaded. So once that stops, we'll be getting the prices for all the scripts, most of the scripts. Like we already have the price for ICICI Bank, Infosys we have the price, L&T you have the price, Bank Nifty you have the price. So that is done. So what we'll do is we'll just click on the auto refresh on button. So now you can just see that we have the prices for these scripts, that is Bank Nifty, ICICI, Infosys. We have a buy call in Infosys. We have a buy call in Sun Pharma. So you have both the sites. That is a buy call for Bank Nifty will be at 15,714. And in case if Bank Nifty comes down to 15,15520, you'll short one lot of Bank Nifty in futures. So this is how you'll be trading. So you can see that there are some scripts where we have this vertical red lines. So for those scripts, what we'll actually be doing is we'll be taking again we'll be clicking on the current day data at 9:20. Then we'll be getting the prices for those scripts also, and then we can actually start trading. And against the script name, what you are seeing is the current market price, which refreshes every 4 seconds. So you can just cross-check this data with your terminal data, so it should be matching. So L&T we have a buy call. You can see that here. So Sun Pharma, this will be the intermediate target. Intermediate target is nothing but some safe levels, some safe target levels where you can actually exit the trade with around 5% profit. Or else what you can do is you can keep trailing the stop losses and then try to maximize your gains. So the stop loss for Sun Pharma, let me just show you here, is 795. So at 9:20 we'll again take the current day data. So one thing what you'll have to understand is the cash market price. With the cash market price, you can trade on futures also, and you can trade in options also. So I am just, it's 9:20 now. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking the current day data. I just click on that button. I just say yes. So you got the prices for all the scripts. You can see that the data is being loaded here. So once that stops, what we'll be doing is we'll click on the auto refresh on button again. So meanwhile, you can just see Infosys is at intermediate target 3921. So that is done. So I'll just put on the auto refresh on. So now we have the prices for all the scripts. HCL is a sell call, JP is a buy, Ranbaxy is a buy, Cipla is a buy, Crompton Grace will ignore this because it has already started at the final targets. ONGC is a sell call, Tata Steel is a sell call, ITC is a buy call happening from past 3 days. Coal India is a buy, Tata Motors is a sell, GMR Infra is a sell. You can see that here. So any script which starts beyond the intermediate target levels, we'll just ignore the scripts, and then we can change that particular script to some other symbol. Let me say I'm just going to add here Allahabad Bank, ALBK. So I can change the name of the script also. So idea again, we have a gap down. So we will not be trading on that. We'll ignore that, and then we'll take another script. Let me try Arvindo Pharma here. And if you just wait for some time, I'll just even open the charts. Then we'll have a clear idea of which all scripts to add. So you can just keep changing the script names, and then try to take the best trades. You have an Allahabad Bank, you have a buy call. That is exactly at 100 rupees. ONGC, you can just see it is at target 1. So in case if the script gives you an entry and then if it just disappears, you don't need to worry, because you will always have a stop loss. So it will be very simple, either the stop loss or the targets. Nifty, we have a buy. So usually what I tell people is Nifty and Bank Nifty always go slow. But other scripts you can trade. So the scripts which are on news, HCL, we have the results coming today. JP Associates, they're selling one cement plant. So that is one positive news for JP. Infosys don't have any kind of a news today, but we still have the IT pack which has results. Coal India, we have a news. Tata Motors, we have news. Tata Steel, we have news. Hero MotoCorp, we have news again. So you can just see that L&T, it gave a buy call and then it disappeared from this 1436, and then again it has come back. So 1431 is the stop loss, so that's roughly around 5 rupees. So in case if you are ready for the stop loss, then only you should enter the trade. So it's very simple. Now you can see that Allahabad Bank is at 100.5. That's roughly around 2000 rupees profit. So whenever a script makes its particular targets, we can keep changing your stop loss. Ranbaxy, we have a buy. Cipla, we have a buy. Wipro, we have a sell call. Let me just change this to Tech Mahindra. We'll have an eye on. Okay, Tech Mahindra is a gap down sell. So TCS, we have a buy call 2494. So the intermediate target levels are targets where you can exit with roughly around 5% profit on your investment. That again depends on who your broker is and what is the exposure that is giving. Let me say in case of Allahabad Bank, my broker charges me something like 7,000 rupees for each lot, that is intraday. So 7,000 rupees, for 7,000 rupees I am making 2,000 rupees profit. That's a very good profit for me. So you'll have to think in terms of your return on your investment also. HCL Tech seems like it will be making its final target. So meanwhile, what I'll do is I'll just open even the TradingTree charts so that I'll be able to tell you what will be the